it's time for the lightning round. Come back to my Rob Ford. The same mistake about the play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski daddy. Time for the lightning round. Here's my start with Craig in New York. Craig.
Thank you for the respect and gratitude that you express to us veterans. I have held
Absolutely,
Accenture.
sir. Oh, I like the stock. Accenture very much. I have to tell you that Accenture should come on the show. That's how much I like them. They are a leader in many things, including AI. Let's go to Randy in Pennsylvania. Randy.
Yeah, hey, Jimmy, long-time listener and first-time caller.
Oh, thank you for calling.
On Boeing Company and been
I have to admit that I think Boeing's going to come down a little because of the last thing that was announced, but I do like Boeing. I think that this is their time if they don't screw it up. Let's go to Gina in Florida. Gina.
Hi, Mr. Kramer. How are you?
I am good, Gina. How you doing?
Oslo Club member.
There we go.
On Biogen, BIID.
Okay, it's very interesting. There was a key person from the FDA who left the FDA, and that was the person who was involved with Biogen getting approval for its Alzheimer's drug. All the Alzheimer's plays then went down, except for Biogen. I think Biogen is in the catbird seat. Didn't think I'd ever say that. Let's go to Rich in New York. Rich.
Hi, Jim.
Hi, Rich.
With the CEO leaving and the stock getting a nice bump, what should we do with Union Pacific?
I think you should accept the fact that the stock is probably going to be like Disney, is going to lose a lot of that gain, maybe even as much as 10 points. But then you should pounce. Why do I say that? Because Union Pacific needs precision railroading. They have not done that, and I think the stock is a great long-term play. I do like Canadian Pacific more. Let's go to Carlos in New York. Carlos.
Hey, Jim, how's it going?
Not bad at all. How about you?
I'm doing great. I would like to know about Meta. What do you think?
I think Meta goes higher. I think that Mark Zuckerberg is probably the most determined to be able to make money for shareholders of almost any CEO in the world. He's cutting back expenses. He's now going to cut back not just operational, but capital expenditures. And he's doing everything he can to right-size the table of employment. Now we go to Brian in Pennsylvania. Brian.
Booyah, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Booyah, Brian. Of course.
Jim, Nokia just rolled out a new corporate logo, supposedly to signal that they've gotten some new business strategies. I'm 62 years old. Will Nokia's new business strategies raise the stock price over $10 in my lifetime?
Over 10. I hope you lived 100, but I have to tell you that Nokia has fallen behind everybody else, and I don't want you near the stock of Nokia. I just think it's just not good enough for you. Let's go to Tyler in California. Tyler.
Hey, Big Leo from California. How you doing, Jim?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm doing good. I'd like to redeem myself on the last pick. I did some research. I'd like to know what you think of ticker VNT.
I don't know it. I don't know VNT. I don't know that one. All right, let's go to Jay in California. Jay.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, hi, Jim. Hey, thanks for taking my call, Jim.
Oh,
hey,
glad you're on the show.
There's a stock out there that I did some research. It's called Enphase. Enphase, after 5 years, get this, Jim, it's up 8,943.6% after 5 years.
Enphase is the winner.
So the numbers and graphs show that statistically, Enphase has been the best stock of any stock for the last 5 years, including Tesla, including NVIDIA.
Yes,
on a 1 year,
yes.
3 year, and 5 year graph. It's
absolutely.
The best.
I think it's a buy. The stock has fallen horribly from when they reported what I thought was a magnificent quarter, and I agree with you, and I think it should be bought. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, Kramer recaps a special weekend at the inaugural CNBC Investing Club annual meeting. Investors assemble. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimKramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.